Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you a secret tricks to block ads on Android phone without any app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now press on search button and search for DNS. Here you can see the option of private DNS. Click on this. Now click on private DNS. Here you have to choose for private DNS provider host name and write here dns.adguard.com and click on save. So this is how to block ads on Android phone without any app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.